What's up everybody, Tyler here, Boulevard Home. Today we are reviewing for you the best 3 washers of 2021. We want to get this information to you because it's so important to be educated as you're shopping for a new washer and dryer. What we decided to do is something a little different this time, is we took a survey or a report done by US News. They listed the top 12 washers of 2021. We want to review the top 3, give you our thoughts on those, share the differences between the top 3, what makes them great, and what helps them stand apart from all the other ones out there. So here we go with the top 3 washers of 2021. All right, so I'm standing here in front of one of the 3 washers that we're gonna review today. This is our number 3. Let's talk about what makes this washer great. This washer is made by Electrolux. Electrolux has been around for a long time. Many times you've thought about Electrolux and you've heard they've made vacuums. They've made other things like that. So this is in their gray color. It also comes in white and some other colors, but we're looking at the gray model. The Electrolux front load washer, some of the coolest features about this is it's a 4.4 cubic capacity size washer. Plenty big for a king comforter. You can fit all the needs you need inside of this large capacity drum. So great capacity drum. It also is, Electrolux is known for their energy efficiency. This is the most energy efficient washer out there today. They also have some really cool features regarding the wash system. First off, they have what here is called a Smart Boost. What that does is it premixes the detergent. It's the only one that premixes detergent beforehand to get the soap activated, so it cleans the clothes. They call it better because it pre-activates the soap and allows those chemicals to react quicker to stains and those soiled clothes. One last thing I want to point out on this machine before we go to the number 2 is it is the only machine that is built to accept Tide pods. So those little detergent pods that you have, you can place it directly right in here. There's a specific spot just for that, which makes it kind of cool as well. The washer door is reversible. Most washers are front load washer doors are not reversible. You can reverse this, so depending on where you want it, it's a convenience. And then second, it has a 15-minute quick wash, which is faster than all the other washers out there as well. So that's a quick overview of the Electrolux front load washer, which was rated number 3 on the US News report for the best washers of 2021. Now let's go over to the rated number 2 washer. All right, now I'm standing in front of the number 2 ranked washer from US News. This one is made by GE. GE is a well-known company. It's been around for a long time. This model comes in 3 colors. It comes in the sapphire blue, as you see here, graphite gray, and then it also comes in white. So what makes this the number 2 ranked washer? There's multiple things with that. One, it has even a larger capacity when you compare it to the Electrolux we just talked about. So it's a 5.0 cubic capacity, easily holds and handles any load that you throw at it with a king comforter or other large loads. What makes this really special though, you see this blue band right here. This is what they call a micro band. It's treated with certain chemicals to help the smell never build up inside of a washer. Many people had major issues in the past with front loaders smelling. GE has done a great job in trying to overcome that challenge that historically front load washers have had. We did a complete review of this machine not long ago. Check out that video here. The third feature I wanted to point out of this machine is inside the dispenser, instead of pods like the Electrolux washer did, this one allows you to pour in liquid detergent, and it stores that in here up to 50 ounces of detergent, I believe. So 50 ounce, and then you don't have to refill the detergent up every time you do a load. What you do is just start a load, it measures the detergent for you, so it makes it simple and easy. This machine is also very energy efficient. Not quite as efficient as the Electrolux, but very energy efficient. It reached the Energy Star standards, and then also has more features or more cycles. This has 12 cycles on it, so a little more customizable versus the Electrolux only has 9 cycles for you. So that's a brief update on the number 2 washer, how it compares to the number 3 washer, some of the benefits it has. So let's get on over to the number 1 rated washer according to US News. So this is what you've all been waiting for. We are just about ready to talk about the number 1 rated front load washer in the industry for 2021. You can see right next to me, it's an LG model. LG is a great manufacturer. They do a fantastic job with so many kitchen appliances and laundry appliances. They're made out of South Korea. so you're aware of where it's manufactured at. But what makes this washer number one is a few things. First off, LG is very well known for their wash action, their wash cycles that they have. They have a lot of customization. They have more cycle options here than the other models, much better than the Electrolux, which only had 9. GE had more, but this one has customizable wash options. So if you have drapes or you have clothing that you want to customize it yourself, you can program them here, and then it will be programmed and you can do it at a touch of a button. Next is LG also has Wi-Fi capability. They're an electronics company, so they've done a great job in integrating their appliances to the internet or Wi-Fi. So what that allows you to do is check the cycle or the wash times. Is your wash done? Is it not done? You can start and stop the washer. So there's some features the other models don't have that this washer does have, which puts it above to that number one level. One other thing many people like is the size. It's smaller in dimensions, so it fits in more compact areas. It is smaller than both the Electrolux and the GE model. However, the capacity of the drum is not quite as big as the GE model. It comes in at a 4.5 cubic capacity, so that makes it larger than the Electrolux model in terms of capacity. So it still fits anything that you really would like to wash. So as we compare these three options, all three of them are fantastic washers. You can't go wrong with any of them. One thing I forgot to mention, and I want to mention now, is price. Where does the price fall on each one of these models? We first start here with the number one ranked LG. It comes in right around that $1,000 retail price for the consumer. When you go down to the GE or the Electrolux, it's going to cost $100 to $200 more. So that's another reason why the LG model bumps up in the ratings. So hope you enjoyed our review on these washers, the three best washers for 2021. All of them, you can't go wrong with any one of them. There's features each one of them have that may be customizable to you and beneficial to you. So learn about them. Hopefully you learned something from us today. If you have any questions or you'd like to see another review on another product or get information from us, we'd love to share with you. Share that in the comments below. Subscribe to get notifications, and we hope you learned something today.